quiere hacer el show, pero desgraciadamente por razones de seguridad y por razones técnicas no lo va a poder hacer. Pero Billie quiere platicar con ustedes. Billie quiere darles un mensaje. Billie, come out.
Man, what a night, huh? Ay, ay, ay. So, I can't do a show, and I mean, did you see that storm? Jesus Christ! I've been sitting backstage, and I've just been sitting like waiting. I'm like, when can I go and see them? When can I go out there? And I could hear you the whole time, and I just was like, you know, they came to me and they said that I couldn't do the show, and they were like, you gotta leave and they gotta go home. And I was like, no. So I thought it was stupid for me to just leave without coming out here and like saying thank you for being here and standing here in the fucking pouring rain. And I thought if it was okay, it's not a lot, but if you're down with me and Phineas singing like 5 acoustic songs or something. So it's not a show. I can't do a show. Nothing is working and they won't let me. It's not safe for me. It's not safe for you. But I have to give you something, so I'm just gonna sing a couple songs.